this is the community of American truck drivers. Welcome to another video.
Welcome back. Okay, so your total for your brake repair, your brake flush, and you're cleaning out your entire system, you're looking at 1,000. I'm sorry.
You got to be crazy.
I'm sorry.
Tell me who the fuck you wanna be.
Can I? Baby? Can I?
I laugh every time I hear people saying, yeah, you know, I don't like working for other people, so... You know, I want to work for myself because I want to set my own hours. Yeah, right. Let me tell you what, when you work for yourself, there's no Christmas, there's no fucking Easter, there's none of that shit when you work for yourself. In the early days, you're working through all those holidays. Every day something bad happens. Every day there's problems. Every day somebody's trying to fuck you. And
that right there is precisely why I don't do flatbed. You hit the brakes, stuff can just fly and take you out without even knowing. Thank God this guy is okay, but I just having to pick your stuff up. Sucks. Maybe we'll stop in front and help him out.
God damn it.
Holy crap. Hope that dude's okay. Someone went for a wild ride. Holy crap. That dude can't be good.
Salinas, California. Check this out. Someone in Salinas is shooting projectiles. Explosives. Check this out, fellas. This is not a firework. Whatever hit this, it even blew out the glass on this truck. That's nuts.
God never sends me where I would be comfortable. He always sends me where I'm uncomfortable. That it's my job to make things comfortable. So no matter what life presents you, don't stop doing what you've been called to do. I built my life around my kids. The moves I made.
A semi-truck wound up totaling 3 police cars this morning. Now, according to the East Point Police, the #1 lane of Interstate 285 is not authorized for semi-truck traffic, and so therefore that truck driver had no business being in the lane. Now, police say that not only was that semi-truck not allowed to be in the number 1 lane or the left lane, but that the semi-truck was also speeding as well in wet conditions. So the truck driver, whose name has not been released yet, has been charged with the following. Following and driving too fast for conditions, and also a move over law violation, and prohibited lane usage by a truck using a multi-lane highway.
What the fuck?
The boss man says this morning, he says, hey, you think maybe you could go one day without fucking up? I said, absolutely, boss man. I said, let's start that tomorrow though, because I'm not sure that today's fuck up's already been penciled in.
She's up all night to the sun. I'm up all night to the sun. She's up all night for good fun. I'm up all night to the sun. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night for good fun. We're up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to get lucky.
Y ahí la verdad que no se pueden jalar ni nada. Yo creo que lo levanta. Pero para que caiga lo demás. Tiene, mira pues ahí como quien dice una grúa, pero una grúa de...
One of the most underrated blessings is leaving your house and making it back home every single day. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's an underrated blessing that we just assume it's gonna happen. And every single day, cats leave the crib and they don't make it back to their children. They don't make it back to their spouse.
That 3-year gap, they can't do nothing about it. He actually was a couple days off from where they could do something about it. I'm like, are you fucking kidding me? She's 16, he's 19, like... Anyways, so I feel defeated, you know, because this kid fucking lied to me in my house to my face, saying that he was 17, so I didn't fuck him up, and come to find out he's 19. Like, if you're gonna do some shit that's worthy of getting your ass beat by someone's fucking dad, at least have the fucking balls to say your fucking age, dude. Like, take an ass beating like a fucking man.
When you're not.
Imagine you're cruising down the highway and suddenly a tire blows out. This isn't just a flat. It can be extremely dangerous. Your steer tires are vital for maintaining control of your rig. When one blows, it can cause your truck to swerve unexpectedly, putting you and everyone else on the road at serious risk. The consequences of a blowout can be dire. If you're driving at high speeds, losing a steer tire can lead to a complete loss of control, potentially resulting in a rollover or a collision. This is not just about property damage. It can seriously injure or even kill someone. If that happens, you could face legal repercussions that might end your career, or worse, lead to jail time.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.